bears, so I'm missing you too much, and today I have a challenge to you. I have a game for us to play, and I'm gonna explain how can we play this game. So let's go. I think you guys already know this game. It's bowling, yeah. But today we're gonna play in a different way. So we're gonna throw the ball, and we have to count the number of the pins we put down. For example, if I put down number 2 and number 5, I have to count 5 plus 2 results 7. So let's start. So now I'm gonna show you how it works, okay? Let me see. Here we have number 5 and number 6. 5 plus 6 results 11. Let me see. I have 5. Oh, it's equal. 5 and 2. 5 and 2. 5 plus 2 results 7. Little bears, I hope you have enjoyed the game, and if you have this bowling game in your house, you can try using this. But if you don't have no problem, you can use plastic bottles. Try to do this by yourself, and I hope you have a lot of fun. Bye!